There's no alcohol in this system. You can now start blow, Mr. Williams. Blow, 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 blow. Good. Now let's check the results. Can we see?
0.
It's 0. 0, 0, 0. Now take 2 bites.
Only 2 bites.
You can take more. It's nice, or you can take the entire. It's nice. No? It's traditional. I bought these at Checkers. There next to Macro, MetLife Plaza. Traditional hot cross buns. Take another bite. Are you ready?
Wait a minute.
Yeah, okay. I will wait. I will wait.
It's actually nice.
It's nice, it's nice. But it can put you in big trouble. Now, you can blow. It's ready. Now, blow, Mr. Williams. Blow, 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 blow. There you go. Now, let's see if you are drunk, on duty, or not. About a minute ago, you,
No, man.
you were sober, and now it is
No, something is definitely wrong.
0.21. Guys, beware. This is dangerous.